In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit or withdraw on the Crypto.com app for beginners. Whether you're a newbie just getting started with cryptocurrency or someone looking to polish their skills, this guide is designed to simplify the process for you. So let's dive in. First off, let's start by heading over to the Crypto.com app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to get it from your device's app store. Once you have the app up and running, you'll find yourself at the home screen of this user-friendly platform. Now let's focus on finding the Accounts section. Look towards the bottom of your app screen where you'll see a menu tab. Tap on it and you'll notice various options. Choose Accounts. This is where all your wallets and accounts are primarily managed. Next, select the Crypto Wallet option. This is crucial because the Crypto Wallet is where you'll decide which specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit or withdraw. The versatility of Crypto.com gives you an array of options here. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, tap on the one that catches your attention. Once you're in the crypto wallet, you'll want to locate the transfer button. On tapping it, you'll be given a couple of choices, either to deposit or withdraw. This button is your gateway to moving your cryptos around, so make sure it's enabled and functioning correctly. Let's say you want to withdraw some funds. In the crypto wallet, after tapping transfer, go ahead and click on withdraw. You'll be prompted to continue, confirming that you'd indeed want to proceed with withdrawing your crypto. Take a moment here to double check everything, ensuring you're ready to complete the transaction. After selecting Withdraw, you'll need to specify which cryptocurrency users or contacts can receive these funds. This part is really convenient if you frequently send and receive cryptos with certain individuals. Simply identify the recipients and you're almost good to go. Finally, you'll have the option to import your contacts. Importing contacts makes future transactions more seamless, saving you time when transferring or withdrawing your cryptocurrencies. Once your contacts are successfully imported, you can proceed to transfer or withdraw your crypto confidently and efficiently. And that wraps up the basics of depositing and withdrawing on the Crypto.com app. By following these steps, you'll gain the confidence to manage your cryptocurrencies with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so spend some time exploring the app, and soon you'll be navigating it like a pro. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials on cryptocurrency and financial technology. Happy trading!